I just picked myself up another old two-stroke triple. This is a 2000 Yamaha vmax deluxe 700 triple. She's far from perfect, but I got a good deal on it. She's got 11,000 miles on the odometer. But does mileage even matter when you have one of these red-headed 700 triples? Anybody that knows Yamahas knows that these things are bulletproof. Now, most of the time when you think two-stroke triple, you think big horsepower. That's not the case with this old Yamaha red-headed triple. And I keep calling it red-headed triple because they made a couple versions of this engine. The cylinder heads are painted red, there's no power valves, and it's got one big single exhaust pipe. This one right here is the more tame 700 triple. This is known for reliability and practically maintenance-free. You don't have the power valves up front that you got to clean every season. Now, 1997 is when they first came out with this 698cc triple cylinder two-stroke. And this thing made a very conservative 115 horsepower. Now, compared to today's sleds, that's not very much. Today's modern two-strokes, a 600 twin cylinder, you're talking 120 to 125 horse. So this 700 triple is down compared to that, obviously. The Blue Top 700 with the power valves, it had triple pipes from the factory. They had a few different versions of that, but the highest horsepower was around 140 horsepower from the factory, and obviously do some mods to get more out of it. But that's so that engine obviously would smoke this thing. This thing's made for reliability, and like I said, virtually no maintenance. This vmax deluxe comes equipped with electric start and reverse. Those are very great features. This thing certainly needs some work, but it does run, and I got a good deal on it, so I'm not too concerned. Let's fire the old girl up and take her for a spin. Tack doesn't work. I'm hearing a noise in this thing. Now, I know this thing has a bad track. I'll show you what I mean, but I don't think that's the noise I'm hearing. Let's see if I can get it to where. Right here, you can see the track is completely shot. It really needs a new one. It's missing quite a chunk right there, so it definitely needs to be replaced. But I'm gonna have to check up front because the noise sounds like it's coming from up front. I could be wrong. We'll go ahead and check our clutches here. All right, so belt's definitely riding down a little bit. Oh, I see a chunk taken out of the belt right there. That would definitely cause the noise I'm hearing. Go ahead and pull this off. Just one chunk, but that could definitely do it. Well, we got a spare right here. We might as well use it. That's a Yamaha belt too. Goes this way. There she goes. There we go. We'll give that a whirl. shaking now. She's got some power. That poor old belt didn't even break it in or nothing. It's the end of the season. It's warm out. I'm just gonna ride this thing. Ride it like you stole it, right? Oh, got a little water. Oh yeah, that's good for the belt. Oh, chunks of wood. Good for the track too. Not gonna go too far. Probably turn around and go play in the field for a little while. At least I'll be close to the house. Yeah, that vibration was definitely in the belt, because I don't feel it at all anymore. Oh, it's fun to beat on those old sleds. Oh, yep, we did it. We did it. Tack doesn't work. Hand warmers work. I feel them. Fun warmer. I don't believe the headlight's working, but the speedo's working. The three cylinders are working. This thing actually doesn't ride that bad. I haven't rode one of these on the trails before. This is pretty rough right through here, and it's really not that bad. My knees, my knees are touching my elbows, but you're gonna have that on any of these old sleds. Used to the rider forward sleds. I don't want to get that belt too wet. Sounds pretty good. Sound better with a set of pipes on it. Oh. 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 Poor sled. 75 or so on the speedo. We just got a little snow a couple days ago, well, the past couple days, but it's pretty warm today. It's gonna melt quick. There we go. Oh, that's fun. I don't know why it's so much funner beating on these old sleds. Oh, that's a drop off. Probably because they don't cost much. You break something on a newer sled, it costs a fortune to fix it. There we go. Oh. These things, you can swing them around too. Oh yeah. Well, the belt was causing that major vibration and the noise. Glad I got that taken care of. The track absolutely still needs to be changed. It's probably even worse now. The old triple's still fun to play with.